These, I show you the seagull babies. These are now about 2 months old and they still have not flied. They have grown up but still asking for the food. Let me focus on the one, how I look like. They're about 2 months now. Oh, wow, the parent came. Well, the both are asking for the food. But the parent, serve them well. So they do give them food. They fly a little bit on a roof. So the picture quality reduced. They fly a little bit from one place to another on just a roof, but they don't fly it, away much. I haven't seen them flying far away, so they're just here. They're both looking towards each other, I think. Right? Yeah. But they have grown up now. Sorry. When I try to zoom out, the picture become a little bit, dim, cloudy. I just due to the window. I'm making inside the window. So, oh, yeah, 2 months old baby asking for food, and 2 minutes with you. So we're going to close. I hope you enjoy. And this is the life of the seagulls, the birds. Okay, and I just close now. Okay, enjoy.